Is your rally barely making a dent in the enemy's garrison? Even with multiple rallies that arrived simultaneously, we still failed. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. In this video, we dive deep into how rally and garrison battles work in Dark War survival, why multiple rallies sometimes fail despite your best efforts. We'll break down the battle report mechanics and explain how combat power, leader, and troop CP determine the outcome. Let's dive in. Combat power. Every capital attack is a battle between two team leaders. On the defending side, the strongest formation inside the capital becomes the garrison leader. The player who launches the rally becomes the rally leader on the attacking side. The attributes of these leaders, including their modified vehicles, heroes, equipment, exclusive equipment, and tech, are combined into a value called leader CP. Leader CP is fixed throughout the battle. It won't change unless the leader is replaced. However, the leader CP is just one piece of the puzzle. There's also troop CP, which plays a much bigger role. In most cases, troop CP makes up more than 60% of the team's total CP. Here's an example. A defender has a leader CP of 71 million, but the troop CP reaches 130.8 million. That means the troops contribute nearly twice as much power as the leader. What's important to understand is that troop CP isn't fixed. It changes from battle to battle based on the number of troops and their average level. Now imagine this same leader fights again, but after taking damage, their troop CP drops by 30 million while the leader CP is unchanged. This drop gives the attacker a better shot. Average players can't do much on the leader CP because increasing it requires a lot of money. However, we can optimize our troop CP while wearing down the enemy troop CP with multiple rallies. Once the enemy's total CP drops lower than ours, we can win the battle and take over the capital. It's precisely why multiple rallies are used. CP gap. Let's analyze some battle examples. In this case, the attacker's CP is 96.9 million, and the defender's CP is 173.8 million. The CP gap is 76.9 million, which is too big. The rally barely scratches the garrison, only reducing under 1 million defender's CP. The attackers would need over 76 rallies to take down the garrison at that rate. And that's assuming the defender never refills the garrison. That's not just impractical, it's nearly impossible. But here's a better example. The CP gap between attacker and defender was 36.7 million. Still large, but better. This rally managed to reduce the defender's troop CP by 6.8 million. If you had 11 well-timed rallies, you could realistically break through the garrison. In the best-case scenario, the defender's troop CP was worn down to 16.1 million by multiple rallies. The rallying team brought in 73.7 million troop CP and crushed the remaining garrison. The attacker successfully took over the capital. This is how well-timed rallies can turn the tide. So, the takeaway is this: multiple rallies only work when the CP gap is small. You must optimize your troop CP for the multiple rallies to work. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. CP optimization. Let's be honest, having a high spender lead the rally or garrison makes a massive difference. Their leader CP will almost always outclass free-to-play or average players. But that doesn't mean you're helpless. Instead, you need to focus on maximizing your troop CP because that's where the most significant gains are. The two main factors that affect troop CP are the troop capacity and troop level. To increase the number of troops in a rally, you must level up the Alliance Plaza. A higher rally capacity means more troop CP. Meanwhile, the troop average level is even more critical. If someone sends low-level troops into a rally, the average troop level is lowered, and your overall CP suffers. For example, the rally team is comprised of level 9 and mostly level 1 industrial level troops. But the defender has level 3 to 5 industrial level troops. The defender troop CP is almost double because of a higher average level. Therefore, coordination is crucial in a serious battle like the cross-state event. Defend the capital with the highest level troops available in your state. The attacker can never wipe out the garrison with a mixture of low-level troops. But how can we be like this alliance and defend like a pro? We will cover this topic in the coming episode. Please comment SOS if you're interested in this topic. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.